Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. So I'm going to try something different today. So I've got these green chilies and I picked out like the ones that are a bit more bigger. They're not too big and they're not too small, so it should be fine. And what I'm going to do is just cut a slit in the middle like so, and I'm going to take all the remaining that's inside there. So here I have a bowl of water in there, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar in there. Mix that a little, and then I'm just going to add the chilies in. So I'm just going to leave this to rest now for like 15 minutes, and the remains I'm going to get rid of. So now what I'm going to do is I've got 2 chicken fillets. So we're just going to put the gas on now, and going to add oil, just about that much. So just waiting for the oil to become a bit hot, and then what I'm going to do is add the chicken that we've cut. Then I'm going to add the ginger and garlic paste. So yeah, I'll show you as I go on. So I'm just waiting for the chicken to become all white, all the same colour. As you can see, it's not there yet. So I'm just going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. So that's what I'm looking for. And now I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. So now what I'm going to add is Achar Gosht, this packet. So a lot of people ask me what packet am I using. I'm just going to use 1.5 tablespoon of this. So my kid's a bit plain up now. Just going to add a bit of lemon, half a lemon I'd say. There you go. No patience now. It smells so good. My roll's gonna get my crew, like they say. But yeah, basically now what we're gonna do is just wait for the remaining water that's in there to dry up, and then it's done. So in a bowl, I'm gonna add cheddar cheese. And I'll give you all the like correct measurements and things written, just don't worry about that. And then I'm also going to add, and I hate when Asian shops don't have it already done for you, so I'm going to use mozzarella cheese, but I need to grate it. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon of this sauce. You can use any sauce that you like really. I'm going to use this one. Lemon and herb sauce, 1 tablespoon. Also, I'm going to use cream cheese, and that's 2 tablespoons. So what I'm going to do now is I have removed the water from the chilies, and I'm just going to pat them dry like so, and just line them up, and we're going to prepare to fill them now. So my battery's going to die, so I better hurry up and show you what I can. So that, for example, get the chicken that we've just done, put it in like so, and then so what we're going to do now is just get one chili that's filled, add it in plain flour, so just coat it all in like so. And then we're going to add it in egg like that, and then we're going to add it in the breadcrumbs. That with all the rest now. So the one that's done, I'm just going to dab it in the egg again, and then in the breadcrumbs again, and then that's now ready to fry.